And example number four, it says solve a triangle ABC. Solve triangle ABC given A capital 75 degrees, A small is 51, B small is 71. You can see here A smaller than B. A smaller than B. Let's compare A and B sine A. And B sine A. A is 51. B sine A is 71 sine 75. Let's get sine 75. 71 sine 75 equals 68.6. Here we have 68.6 and we have here 51. So this is less, this is less, this is less. So A smaller than B sine A. So we don't have here any solution. No triangles. We don't have here no triangles. So we cannot solve this given because this given does not represent a triangle. The given here cannot be a triangle. So we cannot draw a triangle. Angle A 75 and A small 51, B small is 71. This is cannot be a triangle. So on your own, you can do the same on your own. Solve. Even if you try to solve, you are gonna get one of the signs more than one. Like let's try to complete. If you cannot understand from here, let's try to complete. A small over sine A equals B small over sine B equals C small over sine C. A small is 51 over sine A sine 75 equals B small is 71 over sine B unknown. Do cross multiply. So 51 sine B equals 71 sine 75. Divide each side by 51. Divide here by 51. Divide here by 51. And let's find the sine B. Sine B equals 71 sine 75. 71 sine 75 over 51. Here the sine is 1.34. 1.3. Can the sine for any angle be more than 1? It cannot be. The range is from -1 up to 1. This is outside the range. So it's not possible. This is impossible. So we don't have here any solution. So no solution. No solution for this triangle. Okay, on your own. Solve a triangle ABC. Solve triangle ABC given A capital equal 50 degrees, A small equals 10, B small equals 20. Then in problem number 5, say solve triangle ABC given A capital is 40, A small 54, A small 54, and B small 62. B small 62. Let's solve this triangle. Step number 1, you have to compare between A and B sine A. As we can see here, A is 54, B is 62, so A is less than B. A is less than B. What about A and B sine A? A is 54 and B sine A 62 sine 40. Let's get 62 sine 40. 62 sine 40 equals 39.85. Here we have 39.9 and we have here 54. So A is more than B sine A. So A is more than B sine A. So I'm saying A smaller than B while A is more than B sine A. This is the last case for the ambiguous case. So we have here two possible solutions. we have here, according to this, A is more than B sine A and A is less than B. We have here two possible solutions. We have here two possible solutions. So let's see. Let's solve example number 5. This one, I'm gonna write here A capital, B capital, C capital, A small, B small, C small. A capital equals 40, B capital, B small, plus A small, B capital, C capital, خلاص 54 here and 62. Now apply the sine law. Apply the sine law. So A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. A 54 over sine A sine 40 equals B over sine B. B equals 62 over sine B equals C over sine C, not given. So let's do the cross multiply here. So 54 sine B equals 62 sine 40. Do not forget that we have here two solutions, two possible solutions, two triangles, two possible solutions. So we need to get sine B, so divide each side by 54, divide here by 54, divide here by 54. So sine B equals 62 sine 40 over 54. This is sine B. So sine B equals, or we can get B. We have here two possible solutions for B. Why? Because sine B is positive. 62 sine 40 over 54 equals 0.378. 738. Sine here is positive, like yesterday, sine or the day before. Sine here is positive. If sine is positive, so we have two possible solutions. Maybe this sine belongs to this angle B belongs to or lies in the first quadrant or second quadrant. Sine is positive, so first and second. Let's get the angle B. Let's get the angle B in the first quadrant. So B may be in the first quadrant or second quadrant. In the first quadrant, the angle is the same, B. In the second quadrant, 180 minus B. And B here is the reference one. So shift sign the answer. The angle is 47.56.6. So 47.6 degrees, or 180 minus this answer, or 180 minus 47, which is 132, which is 132.4. 132.4. Now we have two possible solutions for B. So we have two possible solutions for C. If B has two possible solutions, so C has two possible solutions. So B, either B equals 47.6 or 132.4. So C, also two solutions. Let's get C, 180 minus the sum here or the sum here. I'm gonna get C here, C equals and C equals 180 minus their sum, 40 plus 47.6, 87.6. 87.6 equals 92.4. So C 92.4 or 180 minus 40 plus 132, 172.6. 40 plus 132.4, so 172.4. 180 minus 172.4. So this angle is 7.6. 7.6. So we have two possible solutions for the angle C, as we have two possible solutions for the angle A. Again, let's go to the original equation, the original ratio. A, which is 54 over sine A sine 40 equals C small unknown over sine C sine 92.4. And also here 54 over sine 40 equals C small over sine C, which is 7.6. Then now do the cross multiply. So C sine 40 equals 54 sine 92.4 divided by sine 40 here, divided by sine 40. You are gonna get C equals 54 sine 92.4 over sine 40 equals sorry, this is sine 40. 83.9. 83.9. This is C here, and also here, C sine 40 equals 54 sine 7.6 divided by sine 40 divided by sine 40. So 54 sine 7.6 over sine 40, C equals 11.1. 11.1. So this is the solving for this triangle. Now on your own, the same idea. Solve triangle ABC given A 35 degrees, A small is 12 and B small is 60.